CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.4, given a scenario, configure and use web browser features. Browser accessibility. When we talk about accessibility in the context of web browsers, we're talking about features designed to make the internet easier to use for everyone, including people with visual, auditory, motor, or cognitive impairments. Accessibility settings are built into modern browsers to ensure that as many users as possible can comfortably browse the web. These features help remove barriers and create a more inclusive online experience. For example, some users may need larger text, different color contrasts, or text-to-speech support to understand what's on a web page. Others might need keyboard shortcuts or navigation options that don't require using a mouse. But accessibility features aren't just helpful for people with disabilities. They can improve the experience for anyone who wants more control over how content is displayed and interacted with. Whether you're adjusting font size, using voice tools, or simplifying a page to stay focused, these tools can make a big difference in how smoothly you navigate the web. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.